Hello, this is my first unboxing video. My package finally came in. If the box is not full of rocks, I will be able to make a wireless high-speed sync, finally. But let's see, the package is well done. Well packed. Oh wow, these very fine boxes. Papers for returning the goods to the Mundus. I hope I will never need this. Some flyer. Oh, they're giving me 5 euros for my next purchase, which is also fine. Thank you, Mundus. And now the boxes. These really fine boxes, I must say. Packaging, yes, is really high. This is one of the most anticipated purchase I made. I really expected this because V6 Mark II is the only triggers at the time of purchase that works with my Pentax system, either with TTL or high-speed sync. The only one, because I was sick of dumb triggers that I had to walk to flash gun to adjust power manually. Let's see, this is probably manual, it's pretty thick. Well packed, I must say, it's well packed. Okay, this is quick start guide, real nice, a warranty, and a sticker for marking each flash guns, so you can see from a distance which is really fine. What is this? A fine manual? No? Images? Okay, it's not a manual, but it's some ideas how to make particular shots, how to use the system. Okay, really nice Cactus, really nice. And this is the device. Oh, what a sticker. Oh, what's this? Some sticker with this charcoal. Wow, this is recycled paper, really good. The packaging is really good, it's really good, top notch, really good. Cactus, this is really fine, but the device, oh wow, okay, it's flimsy. Okay, this is not something, wow, this is not what I expected. The build quality is really disappointment. I will cover this in a separate video.